how to use your iPad or Apple Pro product for showing us exactly what we need to know to make sure that everything fits on your terrain the way it should be. Get 3D Scanner app on the App Store. It's a free app. And then once that's installed, you open it up. 3D Scanner app. There you go. You open that up or download it. You go here to LiDAR Advanced. You set this to Max Step 5, resolution somewhere between 20 and 50, confidence on medium, masking none, and you press this button here and you just start scanning the area that you have in mind for your project and that you want to see if everything fits, and you just scan it as such. When it's all purple, and you'll see whether it's purple or not. When you look back at the area that you've just done, then you'll know whether it's gonna if it's there. You just capture it all like that, and it's very precise, at least definitely precise enough for what we need it for. And then you just, when you have that area, and the purple will come back as soon as you close up again. When you have that, just press this red button here, and then it saves. And then you just process the scan by pressing start, and then it puts the texture on top of the LiDAR scan, which is gathered from this little red circle there, and puts the images collected by these cameras on top of that mesh, so that we have a bit of a better view, an idea of what we're looking at, and then it will become one full whole. As you can see, you can already look around, and this is definitely precise enough for all our intents and purposes, and we can actually see slope, elevation and all that stuff without any issues. It does have trouble with glass, but that's not what we're using it for. You press share, and then you say share it as a DAE, which is compatible with SketchUp, and then you can share it either through email if it's not too big. Some emails are limited to 10 megabytes or less, or you can upload it to Drive, and then basically you can put it right somewhere in that folder. Let's see. Anyway, or you just you send it through email or anything like that, or you save it to files. Send, and then when I have that, I see if it will work or not. As you see, and then I'll be able to say like, oh, going from this, what I've been given, I can say that the top deck at the front of the tent will be off the ground about a distance of, well, let's say 1.2 meters in this case. It's texturizing the mesh. That means it's putting all the colors over it from any of those cameras. Like there's your LiDAR camera that senses depth, and there's two other cameras, one for wide angles, and it overlays the normal camera data on top of the LiDAR. There you go. Now we've got that. Got this landscape data right here. So I only did a small bit there, but we can see exactly all the elevations that we need to take into account. And well, as long as you're smooth and steady with your walking, it should all be good.